Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As you have learned about what happened when the little man was doing English homework, now in today's video you will know about what happened when he started math homework and the next. So look at the paragraph. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. Shrieked means shout. We elves never need that. Elves is a plural form of elves. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down beside me and you simply must guide me. So when it was turn to do math homework, Patrick was unlucky because while doing math homework, the elf shrieked. Shrieked means, as I told you, shouted very loud. Patrick, I don't know what are times tables. We elf never need this timetable. What are all these addition, subtraction, division and fraction? I don't know about them. Please come and sit beside me. I am not able to do your homework. Please tell me how to do this. And also tell me what is addition, subtraction, etc. So by this way, Patrick himself had to do his math homework. Now look at the paragraph. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. Mystery means a secret or a very difficult work. So the little man, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library. I need books, more and more books. And you can help me read them too. So while doing history's homework, again the elf shouted louder than before, Patrick, history is very difficult for me. It's like a mystery. Mystery means, as I told you, secret or a very difficult work. So history is like a mystery for me because we elves have no knowledge about the history. So I cannot do your homework without your help. So please go to the library and bring more and more books and then read out those books in front of me, so that I can do your homework. Otherwise, as I told you, we elves know nothing about history. So I cannot do your homework without your help. Now look at the paragraph number 7. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, the little man was a nag. Nag, it means one who troubles someone all the time by complaining or asking them to do something, as it is written in your book also. So Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag? He was staying up nights and never felt so very much tired. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Puffed means swollen, फूली हुई, सूजी हुई, and blurry means tired also, and hazy, dudli you can say also. So what happened? Basically, Patrick wanted the elf to do his homework, and he himself liked to be free from the homework and play his favorite games. But nothing happened as he expected and hoped, because every day, every time, the elf troubled him, put him in trouble by complaining or asking to do something related to the homework. In fact, the elf had become a problem for Patrick. He always asked Patrick to help him by bringing books, reading them, etc. So because of this, Patrick had to work hard that he never liked. And it was a drag. Drag means dull, not interested. It means he was not interested at all in working hard to do his homework. and he had to wake up late night and study the books to help the little man for doing his homework. So because of this, he felt so tired and his eyes were puffed. Puffed means swollen and looking hazy and blurry. So because of staying up late night. In short, Patrick had to work hard and hard to guide the elf for completing his homework. And in fact, he was doing his homework by himself and thinking that the elf was doing his homework, not he. This is your today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching this video.